Hi friends. In this video, I will show you a really helpful 24-hour self-service laundry in the KL Central area. If you are a tourist staying in one of the KL Central hotels, you can just walk to this place, which is named as Laundry Hub. I will share the location in a minute. Here, you will get automatic wash and dry machines, and you do not even need to add any detergent. The washing machines themselves inject detergent, softener, and sanitizer. That is convenient. However, because the machines are injecting detergent, this place is suitable for washing everyday clothes only. Do not wash expensive clothes here. The cost of a wash cycle starts at 6 Malaysian ringgits and can go up to 8 ringgits, depending on the wash temperature you choose. The cost of using a dryer is an additional 6 ringgits for a 24-minute cycle. You need to use special coins, which can be taken from these coin dispensers. A complete wash and dry routine costs a minimum of 12 ringgits and takes about an hour. The price is not high, considering the convenience and also the fact that you are not paying for the detergent. If you have used coin laundry machines earlier, using these machines will be no trouble at all. If you are there for the first time, you will find usage instructions written on the walls here. It is all easy. To locate the laundry, come to Jalan Thambi Pillai. This road has some well-known budget hotels, for example, My Hotel at KL Central, and Metro Hotel. The laundry is located right next to Cozy Hotel. In fact, if you need any help with these machines, you just have to go into Cozy Hotel and ask their staff for help. Laundry Hub is open 24 hours. And having some staff around can be helpful, particularly when using the machines at night. I hope this video was of help to you. For any other information or feedback, please write a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Consider giving a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe for more such videos in the future. Many thanks for watching.